Hello everyone and happy Monday. We're going to take a tour of this 29 DFS Hideout. And I'm standing in our showroom because it's pretty rainy outside, so I wanted to stay nice and dry. Plus, all of the lights are on, which make it look fantastic. So I'm going to show you some stuff on the outside first. At the front cap, you have your diamond plating, so this helps protect it from rocks and stuff jumping up there and scratching your front cap. And then behind this sign, if you can see it, you do have your propane under that protective plastic casing. This also has the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. You are also prepped for side marker cameras, and you even have a little bit of pass-through storage. There is also front and rear stabilizer jacks on this coach. And as you can see, there are 2 entrances. Your main entrance is all the way at the end. You also have an awning that stretches halfway across, and there is also outdoor speakers. And then here is your freshwater connection, and then to the left of that is the exit point to your furnace. And then moving along down, you actually have an outlet out here, so if you did want to get a TV and set it up on a table, you're able to do that. And then the very back, you have an outdoor kitchen. So you got 2 burners, plus this is stainless steel. And you have a mini fridge. So what's great about these outdoor kitchens is, you know, when you're cooking out here, you don't have to have people go in and out of the camper to the kitchen. You can just have access to a lot of it right here. At your main entrance are those solid steps that everyone loves so much. They're very sturdy. Plus you have your big helper handle and a leash/bottle opener right next to your steps. Before I forget, the weight for this unit comes out to be 7,120 pounds. So let's go ahead and look at the inside. Immediately to your left is a couple sets of bunks. You actually have a privacy curtain, so if you did want to have a couple guests stay or your kids stay, they can close that off, have a fun movie night on their iPads and laptops and stuff. But you do have storage underneath this bunk, and it's pretty wide, and there's also a window over there plus an outlet. And then the one up above actually rates for 300 pounds, so a full-size adult can actually sleep up there as well. Behind this door is our bathroom, so all the way in the back is your shower tub combo, and the vent fan is up above as well. And then of course you have your toilet, and I believe it is porcelain, so it's very sturdy. And then we have our sink. So you got storage below it, an outlet if you need to plug anything in, and your medicine cabinet. Coming out into our eating and entertainment space, I love that the sofa and the dining room table is on a slide out because you have all of this extra walking space and you don't have to feel super cramped in here. We do have extra storage before heading in there, and you can use this for, you know, your kids' storage or just extra bathroom space or living room space. So to the left is this sleeper sofa. So this will sleep an extra person, maybe 2 depending on the size. And then right across is your entertainment center. So you got your electric fireplace down below, and this will heat up your camper if it's a really cool morning or it's starting to get cool at night, or you can just turn it on without the heat and it kind of gives it a really nice homey feel. Storage space up above, and then your Bluetooth speaker system is that little system right there. That's where you can access your outdoor speakers and your indoor speakers. And then of course you have your huge swivel TV, even more storage up above, and this is a little hidden feature. You actually have massive hidden storage behind the entertainment center. So I thought that was pretty cool. You know, you can keep things organized. People don't have to see all of your canned goods and whatnots. But that's just extra space that you can hide. Coming into our kitchen area, I love that the sink is kind of at an angle, again, to just maximize this walking space. Your stainless steel refrigerator is right next to your entertainment center. And then to the left is your 3-burner top stove with a glass range cover. And this will fold up and kind of double as a backsplash, so it kind of protects grease and stuff from splashing up there. And then of course you have your oven, plus blue accent lights. And a feature that they started adding, which I thought was pretty cool, was obviously we don't have propane hooked up right now, but if this was on, it would show red. So that's how you know a burner is on. If a kid happens to bump into it, you know, you can still tell that it's on, and if you need to turn it off real quickly. Plus, it still works with those LED lights off. So that's a really cool safety feature that they have. And then down below is our road vac. So every single Hideout has one of these, and it comes with a nozzle, or kind of like a hose, and you hook it up and you're able to vacuum every square inch of the camper. Plus, it can even stretch outside if you have an outdoor rug, so you don't have to bring your brooms or vacuums with you. You kind of have one already built in. Storage all down below, extra countertop space, and there's also an outlet back there if you need to plug in your coffee maker or your air fryer. And then of course you have your sink at this really awesome angle. Stainless steel open sink. Plus you can use this for extra countertop space. Cabinets all up above, and you have accent lights on the inside. Across from all of this is your U-shaped dinette. And I don't know why I love these so much. Maybe because it just maximizes everything. The table folds down and you can use it for extra sleeping space. And there is storage underneath the left side of the seat. So it's just very useful to have that. I do love the freestanding dinettes, but I love the booth dinettes more. The price for this unit comes out to be $24,999 for everything. And then last but not least, coming into our master bedroom, that is where that second door entry is at. Queen size bed, storage underneath, and then you have your closet lockers on both sides. So you can hang things up there if you want. Shelving storage, and then right across you have extra closet space. All of these shelves. Plus you have an extra cabinet space down below. And then, so I don't miss it, right next to your entrance with the sliding door, you actually have a spot for an LCD bracket, so you can have a TV hanging up in here. So that is it for this Hideout, you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know, and we are more than happy to help.